Audi is about to shake up the luxury SUV game with its biggest and boldest model yet. The 2027 Audi Q9. With a futuristic design, cutting-edge tech, and powerhouse engines. This could be Audi's answer to the BMW X7 and Mercedes GLS. But will it be worth the wait? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. The design, aggressive and futuristic. Audi is jumping on the split headlight trend, giving the Q9 a sleek modern look. Up front, you'll find ultra-thin LED daytime running lights just below the hood, with the main headlights positioned underneath. The blacked-out grille and aggressive air intakes give it a menacing presence, perfect for a flagship SUV. On the sides, the Q9 features gloss black fender flares and sleek touch-sensitive door handles, similar to the Ford Mustang Mach-E. The flowing rear design sets it apart from boxier rivals like the BMW X7, while massive 21 to 23-inch wheels fill out those flared arches. Around back, the Q9 takes inspiration from the A6 Avant, with a slim LED light bar and a glossy black rear bumper. It's a perfect mix of elegance and aggression. The interior, high-tech luxury. Step inside, and the Q9 is packed with Audi's latest tech. Fully digital cockpit with Audi's newest MMI system, dual screen setup for the driver, plus an optional passenger screen. Premium materials and a spacious 3-row layout. This SUV is designed to compete with the best. Expect massive legroom, premium sound systems, and next-gen connectivity. Powertrains. Performance meets versatility. The Q9 will ride on VW Group's premium platform combustion, meaning multiple engine options. Gas and diesel variants, likely a 2.0-litre 4-cylinder or V6. Plug-in hybrid for efficiency lovers. But the real excitement? The SQ9 could pack a 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 with 500-plus horsepower, matching rivals like the Mercedes-AMG GLS 63. And don't rule out an RS Q9 with 631 horsepower from the RS Q8's beastly engine. Release date and pricing. Audi hasn't officially confirmed the Q9 yet, but rumors suggest a late 2025 or early 2026 debut. Pricing. If tariffs don't ruin the party, expected to start around $85,000 to $90,000, competing directly with the BMW X7 and Mercedes GLS. What do you think? Will the Audi Q9 dominate the luxury SUV market, or is it too late to the game? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video to help us grow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.